Welcome to today's news. Railway Recruitment Board (RRB) has released the RRB ALP Answer Key 2024. Candidates who have appeared in the computer-based test for Assistant Loco Pilot post against CAN 01/2024 ALP CBT-1 was conducted from November 25 to 29, 2024 can download the provisional key along with question papers and recorded responses from the official website of the RRB at https://www.rrbapply.gov.in. The link to download the answer key and raise objections has been opened from December 5 and will close on December 10, 2024 at 10 a.m.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.